Welcome back to my homemaking story. It's been a rough few weeks for me, and I'm sure you've been feeling the same way. In these tough times, we still need to find a way to move forward. I hope this video inspires you to do just that, no matter what you have been faced with. The Lord hears us when no one else does, and comforts us in ways no one else can. May we turn to Him for guidance. I want to welcome you if you are new, and would you consider subscribing to be inspired weekly to make the everyday beautiful? When we decided to plant some flowers out front, I just saw them for what they were in the moment, beautiful and in full bloom. I thought if I showed them enough care, watering them 2 times a day, surely they would grow to be lush and large. As I continue to water each day, watching the summer sun scorch them before they even had a chance to reach full maturity, I am saddened. I continue watering, however, hoping it will make a difference, willing them back to life. I had much of the same emotions with my mom's little Kitten Chance. He was abandoned by his mother not even being 2 days old. When we realized he was sick and suffering, my mom sought out help. For the past few weeks, he has been cared for by a professional and thankfully came back to us stronger than ever. This little guy is now exploring the world around him, frisky and bright-eyed. He has added such sweetness to my days, and in these dark times, it's so nice to be a part of his playfulness and love. So while I'm sad to see some of my plants die, I'm filled with so much joy with the return of this little Chance. I used to never accept older items. It's interesting how the older I get, the more I appreciate those things which are older. It feels as if I hold a piece of history, and one reason I really enjoy using my good stuff. I recently received a beautiful box filled with older items from my dear subscriber Linda. I had the pleasure of meeting her a couple of years ago, and recently she told me she was going through her belongings and thought I'd enjoy some of them. These small teacups are a few of the older items she blessed me with, and I absolutely love them. They were in perfect condition, and after washing them up, they are good as new. Do you spot somebody new? This older lost dog recently found Jorge, and he brought him home to keep him safe while we search for his family. He's made quite the addition, and I love how gentle he is. I've yet to hear him bark, and he seems to welcome all he meets. We named him Peppercorn and plan to keep him if nobody claims him. I can't think of anything better to make when life is full of lemons than lemonade. There are so many recipes available, and it's fun to search and try them out, especially when you have a helper. Enjoying the first sip together makes it that much sweeter. In today's portion of my Leading Lady wardrobe, I'm sharing a few of my nightgowns. This selection of feminine and elegant sleepwear isn't for every lady. I still recall the moment I decided I'd never wear tattered or mismatched pajamas again. I instantly felt as if I had matured, and with that decision, I welcomed an element of elegance into my life. I stopped making excuses. I knew how I felt when I would see such beautiful pieces on a mannequin or even on a leading lady in an old Hollywood film. Why couldn't that be me? I pay close attention to the details and choose only those colors and styles I feel beautiful in. The luxurious fabrics are so soft to the touch and make it easy to get comfortable in bed. While I'm not against jumping into bed and the days slip, choosing something meant for sleeping always feels more special. If you're interested in adding something similar to your collection of sleepwear, there are a wide variety of stores which carry these elegant pieces. I have added many to my collection shopping secondhand, and especially through Poshmark. If you are looking for more inspiration, head over to Patreon. In one of my recent videos, I'm sharing a childhood toy that helped shape my love for lace and delicate details, as well as a look back on my wedding day, all while donning some overlined lips. My most recent video is a monthly update and my thoughts on not sharing too much over the internet when it comes to my life and my family. This video was brought to you by our patrons and everyone who has purchased from my Etsy shop. We thank each of you for making these videos possible. If you have any interest in these 2 new sets of linen textured stationery, be sure to head over to my Etsy shop. These variety packs feature some of last month's paintings. For more ways to make the everyday beautiful, be sure to subscribe and click on this video.